In this video, I'm going to show you how to mute specific person on Snapchat. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Snapchat app, and then right here you can tap on chat icon to open up your conversations list. Now here, let's say I want to mute that person. First I can hold down on that person's name and then tap on chat settings. Here all I have to do is disable these two features: message notifications and games and mini notifications, and then hit done. The next thing I have to do is hold down on that name again and then tap Add Story Settings. And here all I have to do is enable this Mute Story feature to mute stories for that person. That's all about how to mute specific person on Snapchat. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.